These are three common Roth IRA mistakes that you need to avoid. Mistake number one is not actually investing the money inside your Roth IRA. So what some people do is that they transfer money from their bank account to their Roth IRA and they think that their money is being invested. But investing in your Roth IRA is actually a two-step process. Step one is to transfer money from your bank account to your Roth IRA. Step two, and this is the step that some people forget, is that you need to use the money to buy investments inside your Roth IRA. So a real life example would be that you transfer $500 from your bank account to your Roth IRA. Then you use that $500, which is inside your Roth IRA, to actually buy investments such as mutual funds, ETFs, or bonds. I personally avoid this mistake by automating my investments so that money is taken directly from my bank account and it goes directly into a mutual fund. That way, my Roth IRA never has cash that's just sitting there. I personally think that's the easiest way to avoid this mistake. But you can manually check your Roth IRA every once in a while and make sure that your cash is always being invested. Mistake number two is thinking that your money is stuck inside your Roth IRA until retirement age. But you can actually withdraw your contributions at any time, tax and penalty free. For example, if you decide to contribute $1,000 to your Roth IRA and 1 week later you want to withdraw that money, you can easily do that and you won't have to pay any extra taxes or penalties. However, in that same example, if you contribute $1,000 and 1 month later, that $1,000 contribution turns into $1,200, and you decide you want to withdraw that money, you are still allowed to take out your initial $1,000 contribution without paying any additional taxes or fees. But if you want to withdraw the profit that you made, in this case it's $200, then you would have to pay additional taxes and penalties on the $200. Now that you know that you can always take out your contributions at any time, you can avoid the mistake of thinking that your money is stuck until retirement age. Mistake number three is thinking that you can only contribute to the current year's Roth IRA. For example, today is February 2nd, 2026, so most people would just assume that you could only contribute to the 2026 Roth IRA. But I could actually contribute to either my 2025 or 2026 Roth IRA. The deadline to contribute to my 2025 Roth IRA is actually April 15th of 2026. So that means if I didn't max out my 2025 Roth IRA, I still have time to do it. But after April 15th of this year, which is 2026, I would then only be allowed to contribute to my 2026 Roth IRA. So don't ever feel rushed if you haven't made all your contributions by the end of the calendar year. Just know that you have an additional 4 months to continue making contributions to try to max out your Roth IRA. And those are 3 common mistakes that you should avoid. By avoiding these mistakes, you can take full advantage of all the benefits of a Roth IRA. If you're interested in opening a Roth IRA, click the video that you see on the screen now.